Hello everyone, this is the part 12 of how to create profitable e-commerce website with Shopify, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add domestic and international shipping rates in your Shopify store and start selling products domestic and internationally. So let's get started. Myself Hardik Patel from ecomhari.com. So here we are on the Shopify admin dashboard. And what you have to do is simply go to the settings here. Under the settings, simply left-hand side, click on shipping and delivery. Here it will allow you to set the domestic and international shipping rates. By default, if you see under the shopping title, here it says general shipping rates are already set. So if you click here, you can see general, all products are already added by default. And the rates for domestic, rest of the countries, and US and Canada are defined. Now, if you click onto that, and you can see all products will show up under the all products profile here. And if you scroll down, the shipping origin are set. The shipping zones for domestic, it is set to Australia because my store is in Australia. In your case, could be different country. You can always change this shipping zone from here. Now, here under the shipping origins, shipping zones are defined. So there's a domestic shipping zone which has shipping rates standard and express. You see here under the standard shipping rate, $100 and up products 2 to 8 business days free shipping rates is provided. And for express, any products from $0 onwards, 1 to 4 business days, $15 extra shipping rate is provided. You can also add the additional shipping rate here. So use the flat rate, or you can use the carrier or app calculated rate if you already have the carrier or app plugins or apps added. I simply go with the use flat shipping rate, and under the shipping rate I will select standard 2 to 8 business days. Free shipping is okay, 2 to 8 days. Now under $100, if I don't want to provide free shipping, I can charge them, so $9 or something for standard shipping. I can add the condition, any product minimum weight or based on the order price. So any product maximum price is $100 or maybe 99.99. Then it will show the standard shipping available for $9. So now I click done. So now there are 3 conditions. Any orders up to $99 has $9 shipping rate, which is standard shipping. Any orders over $100 is free shipping rate with standard shipping, and express shipping is available for $15. You can also define some specific conditions as well, like for express shipping, I can edit the rate, and instead of based on the order price, I can do based on the weight. And if the weight is 1 kilo, or minimum weight is 0 and maximum weight is 1 kilo, then the express shipping is $15. What if the weight amount is 1 kilo to 5 kilos, or maybe 2 kilos, 2.5 kilos, whatever, then I want to charge $25. And if the weight is 2.5 kilo to 5 kilos, then I want to charge $35 for express shipping, and done. So now it's good. What you have to do is simply to the products you have listed on the store, simply assign the weights to each and every products. That way it will calculate the express shipping accordingly. Now, if you scroll down here for the rest of the countries and for the US and Canada shipping zone, so there are 2 different shipping zone assigned, and you see here the other countries which are not covered by these above shipping zones will show up here. By the way, rest of the countries covers all the countries, so there is 0 countries and regions available here. Now what you can do is you can also define particular countries in rest of the countries shipping zone. So simply here edit zone, and you can untick the particular countries you don't want to add in this particular class of shipping zone. So I want to untick United Kingdom, I want to untick France, and maybe Italy, okay, and Germany. So I want to untick these particular countries, and I want to assign separate shipping zone for these countries. Then I will just simply do so. Now what I'll do is come down here. There are 5 countries. So I create the shipping zone and I select those countries here. Okay, so UK, Italy, France. Okay, just for my reference, it is showing, so these 4 countries shipping zone, and there is no rate assigned, so I want to assign the rate. I want to assign the flat shipping international rate for these particular countries. So maybe flat standard international shipping, add condition from 0 to zero point 0.5 kilos. Weight capacity, I wanted to charge $30, okay. And zero point 0.5 to 1 kilo, I want to charge $40. 1 to 3 kilos, I want to charge $50. And anything above that, 3 kilos and over, I want to charge $75. That's it. So you already created some rules for the shipping rates for these particular countries. Same way you can change the rules for the rest of the world countries, like here you can see, and there is one country left, which is New Zealand. I want to assign the separate shipping rule for New Zealand because it's close to Australia and the shipping rates are cheaper to me, so I don't want to charge or overcharge to my customers. Save changes here. So everything is done. Now, what if I don't want to assign everything under the general profile? I want to create the separate shipping rules by different profile. So here you can do add custom rates and destination restriction for groups of products by creating the new profile. Simply create a new profile. If you write like create, just imagine particular products on this website you are not willing to sell in some countries or particular countries, you can create the whole separate different profile. So like that's okay. What you can do is simply first add those particular products. So what you can do, let me select this particular product and maybe this one. I don't want to sell these particular products in USA and Canada. So what to do? Simply create the zone. So allow domestic zone. So I just assign domestic, okay, and done. Assign the shipping rates for domestic zone, okay, and assign standard rate for this product, free standard shipping, and also create the shipping zone where you select all the international countries except the one you don't want to ship it to. So USA and maybe Canada, and also you don't want to ship to Denmark, then select that. And zone name is empty zone and done. And now create the rate. So just $35 flat rate I want to assign for now. And now these three countries not covered by the shipping zone is Canada, Denmark, and United States. That means you haven't assigned any shipping zone or shipping rate for these countries. Customer from these particular countries won't be able to purchase this product from your website. That's it. So once you've done that, simply save. Now once everything is done, you go to the front end of the website, okay, and make sure you check whether it's working or not. So let me maybe go with this one because this has excluded some shipping rates and all. So I just search for that particular product and see if it's working. So I add to cart, new cart. Let me remove the unnecessary products from the cart, check out, and if I select Australia, see now there is no other countries available for this particular product. So I go back and see here it says customers in this in zone won't be able to check out because all countries and regions are in inactive market. To activate the market, okay, simply click onto that, and under the market you simply here you have to activate this market. So what you have to do is edit international and countries, international handle, select, and what you have to do is you have to select all these countries and activate them. Simply click here and make it active. Once you activate, save, and once you save it, now the international market has been activated. Now if you go back and refresh the page, you see here it's still not there. 1 second. If I refresh this one here, and now shipping zone and everything looks good. Let me refresh. Now other countries are showing up here. If I select US, random USA address. So let's see if I add this USA address and see whether it picks up. If I select that, if I enter the USA address here, it says shipping not available. Your order cannot be shipped to the selected address. Review your address to ensure it is correct and try again, or select different address, because this particular product we have excluded from the USA. Remember? So here you see here USA is excluded, Canada is excluded. So any customer from these countries if they try to purchase this particular product, they won't be allowed. But instead, if I just select any other country address, so like New Zealand or something, so maybe this one, come back here and search for it. And I select the New Zealand address and see it is allowing for the New Zealand customers to purchase the item. So the shipping policy is set correctly and shipping rates are defined correctly, which is good. Now, what if I want to set the rates different? So if I want to sell domestic rates, but I want to sell products expensive for the international customers, simply go to the market. So here under the market, simply select the international products and pricing here, and you can increase the product price for the international customers by percentage. So I want to increase it by 15%, okay, and save. So what happens is this product, $60, the price will be increased by 15% for the international customers. That is good. That's how you can set the international rate differently. That's it. So that's how you can set the domestic and international shipping rates on your Shopify store. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to list your products on Google Merchant Center and make it visible on Google for free of cost. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.